One of the first major questions I get from players all around the world, beginner or even an intermediate level, is how to hold your grip properly. What is the secret? And there were plenty of videos on YouTube where there are a couple of methods how to hold it. Today I'm going to show you 4 different methods, what you can do, and decide what works for you and use into your game. And I just want to give you a framework what you can actually do to find your perfect grip. So first, what is common on YouTube is to use a hammer principle. Hammer is just pick up the cue, like naturally, and this is my grip form, as you can see. So it's pretty neutral, and the point is that I have to be able to move my grip up, down, left, right, without any difficulties. And let's say if I'm gonna approach the shot to play a specific shot, so basically the principle looks like this. I pick up the cue. So for me, it's automatically I shape my index finger and thumb together, and those fingers are just resting in my cue like that, okay? And I don't have any grip gap if I do this method, left to right, sorry, up, down, left, right. So I just want to show you back view. I pick up the cue, this is my form, and as I walk in, I don't do any changes in my grip. So I walk in, and basically that's it. This is how my grip works in this particular matter. So that's the method number 1. Pick up as a hammer, check your form, and as you walk in, don't change anything, just keep as it is. Second method, which is my favorite as a coach, I said some players are just not getting first method, is to use index finger grip and wrap around. So basically what I show is to hold your cue somewhere here to the 90-degree angle, wrap around with 2 fingers only. And then as you walk in, use other fingers smoothly, you see? And this is how you can form the grip. So you're coming to the shot, especially when you're not sure what you do with first ring, and then you wrap around with other fingers. And in this case, you can also form a proper grip in your hand. It's easy method because you don't have to think, you just have to put your index finger and ring together and then wrap around with other fingers smoothly. I say that, 70% of your holding is here, then 10 to 15% is here, and 5 to 10% is here, depending on the person. Somebody are holding lighter, somebody firmer. But the main principle, what I like to use, is to use index finger and thumb like as a reference point. Somebody like to hold like this, like a pressure grip, but this is less common. And for those who are starting out, I really recommend to use index and thumb because it's just getting you a solid base and wrap around with other fingers. So that would be my recommendation for you. So this is the second method for the grip. The third method, I try to use my grip holding into finger part of the, like holding on the upper palm position here. Sometimes I feel that when the bad grip is happening, players are holding too much in their palms like that, into this position here too much. And what happens that they have too much pressure in the movement. So you want to use as much finger motion as possible. So you just have to hold your cue just before finger starts right here and then wrap around. And what you have to feel that you use more finger motion here. So once again, here and here. And also this is pretty good method to find your grip. If that is difficult for you, this one very fun exercise what you can do is basically hold your cue on your fingers like this and push your thumb right here. Not here like a normal shot, but here. Okay? I want to show you that if you're going to be able to hold your cue properly from here, and deliver without any kind of tension. That's good. And then what you have to do only, you have to put your finger here, and then you form your grip. So once I want to show you from the front view. Come there. Echt nice. Just remember, hold on your fingers and use thumb to the other side, opposite than you normally do. Okay, you see? And then I naturally hold on my fingers here. And then as I push my thumb right here, I'm gonna hold my cue around the finger area, upper part of the palm. Okay? And that's my grip. So this is like 3 methods you can use to find your natural grip. Now, players are different, and I want to talk about fourth part is how to use this thumb. So what I usually see, grips who are really effective, is that players either using straight grip. This is most common, straight grip, like when the thumb is straight to the line. Or some players like Zhao Zhentong or Stan Moody is using bent grip. So I want to show you both. Dabar turi matytis tas nykštys, kad arba jis tiesus yra, arba jo. Okay. Iš tos pusės, taip? Ai, palauk, matysis nykštys? Okay, so I want to show you that if you're using a classical grip, like Ronnie does, like most of the players do, they're using straight wrist, and the grip is pretty neutral from the back part of the hand and front part of the hand, okay? If that is uncomfortable for you, it's okay. What you can use, like a slightly bent grip, which means that you hold your grip more on your front part of the fingers, and those are a little bit more relaxed just because of the shape of the grip. But what was most common, that this part of the hand is always have a fleshy part holding the grip. So either you do this with slight twist in your thumb, or straight. So use those 4 references to see what works for you and try to find your perfect grip.